angles and arc lengths under the topic trigonometry. Now, if I am asking you a question that mathematically define angle, then none of you can define it, but on the whole you can explain me, sir, this is an angle. Okay, so let's go with the definition part first about the angle, then we will be going the depth of the topic. Now, definition. Angle is a measure of rotation of a given ray about its initial point. Angle is a measure of rotation or a revolution of a given ray about its initial point. Now, the original ray is called initial side and final position of the ray after rotation. Is called terminal side. Now, which is the original one? This is the original OX, original, or you can say this is the fixed line, okay, fixed for this purpose. Now, this is the initial side and after rotation. Now, suppose this line, the final ray, it goes to this position, okay. So, now this ray, it becomes terminal side. Okay. So, this is the initial, this is the terminal. Similarly, here initial side and this one terminal side. Is it clear? Now, now we are left with the point O. What this is? Now, the point of rotation is called the vertex. So, point of rotation means from O, it should be at least a point from where one ray is moving, okay. So, this point, this is called what? It is called vertex. Similarly, this is vertex. Is it clear? So, this is a definition for the point angle. Now, here for this particular part, if the direction of rotation is anti-clockwise, the angle is said to be positive. Now, this is what? This is positive angle, because this is going anti-clockwise. Now, similarly, this side, if the direction of rotation is clockwise, the angle is said to be negative. Okay. So, this is the negative angle. Is it clear? Now, Angle is the amount of revolution the mere of an angle is the amount of revolution undergone by a revolving line in a plane. So these are all some basic things about the angles which you have read it in the junior classes, but you forget. Okay. So this is all about the angle.